What's up, guys? Today is Friday, the very best day of the week, because today is Snap-on Friday. Right there's Hamilton, so let's go take a look, see what he's got on the truck today. Got a box of socks.
Yeah, a bunch of socks.
Whole bunch of socks. Box and a roll cart full of socks. Cool junk box.
Yeah, I'm just hanging out on the floor here.
Yeah, them look good on you, Thomas.
Too cool for tools, son.
That's right. They look good on you.
Appreciate it.
How many of them 1-inches unsold?
About 5. Yeah. 5 of them.
Doing good, huh?
Yeah. 2 in one day the other day.
That's what I'm talking about. Did you sell them or did Thomas sell them?
You know Thomas ain't selling nothing around here. Thomas is sales tactic. It's talking them to death, then they buy it and get off the truck just so they can hurry. What are you talking? I'm telling them, explaining your sales tactic. What do you think about that, Bill?
He said your sales tactic is to talk them to death, and then they'll buy it so they can hurry up and get off the truck.
Hey. Works every time. Works every time. That's about how it goes.
So on a 120-degree hot day, he couldn't sell a glass of ice water?
Nah, he can't. Sometimes I want to buy it and just get off the truck.
Son, I can sell shorts to an Eskimo, Jack.
That's about like a guy selling them Bibles. I'll tell you all about that here in a minute.
Off camera.
Uh-oh, it must be bad.
No, that just might offend somebody. It ain't got no cuss words in it.
Way to be respectful.
You ain't got no more than blue handle one, do you?
I like the spring on the blue handle one's better than the red.
Wally, you got a soft grip handle, I'll build you a ratchet.
Matthew was wanting to set up. He said he didn't ever got blue handle or red handle, so I guess you have to get red handle.
You ain't got a quarter-inch soft grip long?
Mine's 3/8 and up.
Unbelievable. I was gonna build you a ratchet.
Have a Thomas built ratchet.
So you got it perfected now, huh?
He is the man. What else we got back here today? Big green junk box. Anything else you need back here?
Some blue point wrenches. I got them out of the floor.
Regular wrenches. I figured you done sold them by now, Thomas. What's wrong with you? Look at there. You got one of them junky ass polishers down there. That probably burned up. Somebody just threw it back down on the floor.
No, you just got a bad batch when you got yours.
I got a bad batch of them, man, because I had a bunch of them.
Threw what, 3 of them, didn't you?
Yep.
Tell you what you need to do, Thomas. Take that battery out of that thing. Let me show you a trick. Tape you a quarter in it right here. Tape a quarter down in there. And throw it out the window. And
that way when somebody buys it, they'll have 25 cents.
It'll be worth something.
Hey. Talk about you see this back?
If ever Snap-on tool was as high quality as these pieces of junk right here, I wouldn't even wear a damn Snap-on hat.
Look, let me tell you something.
That's the least sent off tool we got.
The least sent off tool we got, and one of the most sold. So that tells you something.
Well, they can't hang up to polishing a damn toolbox, I can tell you that, because that's what I did with mine. And Bill's my witness, all 3 of mine didn't last a total of 5 minutes.
Oh yeah, I seen one of them.
I don't know if I just got 3 lemons in a row or Snap-ons went into the lemonade business. They sucked on me. They ain't never got to worry about me buying another one, I promise you that.
Yeah, why don't you take this and try it out for a week?
I don't need it.
I didn't say you had to buy it, son. Just try it out.
Hell, it won't last 5 minutes.
But that's why you trying that out.
Polishing's too much work. That's what we leave it up to Bobby for.
Bobby's guy, but
Y'all try to sell that to Bobby. I'm done with them things. If that thing was $4, I wouldn't buy it.
Good thing it's $3.50.
Bobby tell you he bought one of them 1 inches.
Yeah. He said they're bad.
He loves that thing.
$3.50. If that's the price, I'll buy one for play.
He keeps holding that trigger down like that old big burn up before we get all cut.
Trying to prove you wrong.
What you got new this week, Thomas?
New to y'all?
You gotta sell us on something.
I don't think I got nothing. What screwdriver sets, but y'all got screwdrivers. That's the only thing new to y'all on the truck.
You gotta sell us on something.
Screwdriver set's missing some pieces, ain't it?
Oh, they might got the 2 little ones in them, but
You ain't got nothing new this week at all?
Yeah, the screwdriver sets. I told you what we had new.
You never been getting on long 3/4 socket then?
Is that what
Like we've been asking about.
Is that what size that one come in for?
Like that. Big long one. I think
15,
3/4. That's
16
15,
there.
16.
No, remember we have one that was in a bag in here.
yeah.
What it broke? Some drawers in it.
Tear him up.
See, those have a special gear system for those. Yeah, them's handy too for new trucks from what I heard. My daddy ordered a pair, so we went ahead and ordered 2 more.
Which are those $12 a pair?
I don't know. I didn't charge my daddy for it. I don't do any business with my dad. I let him go for business. That's my dad.
Conflict of interest, that.
That's where we go.
How much are they, Thomas?
Avoid business with family and friends to save you a lot of drama.
There's the part number. How much is it? How much them is?
3160.
What's up, dude?
I misread the number, said 3160, and then the price was 3160.
That's the part number.
What's the number? What's the part number?
31C?
No, 3760. Price is 3160.
Oh.
It's like a C.
What you can is you get decent. Go ahead and get that thing recorded. A lot of times I can call certain things too.
This is bad boy, 850. That's what I thought it was.
I think that's what we look
How much is that?
What's your granny?
He may have actually, I've heard him say 3 different prices to 3 different people, so.
Yeah.
I would not
I thought
price
you were selling tools, Thomas.
yeah, but stuff, like I said, stuff that he does that I don't know what he's got in it, it's hard for me to process, and I don't know what he's got in it.
How much is that used PT850 down there?
I've been saying he's going to send it off.
Yeah. I think I got about 275 or 300 I have to have out of it, but I've been wanting to send it off just to make sure it's all good first.
Did you ever get that snap-on air hose in?
Heck, no.
We ain't got that. The ones we got was the high, or not the high vis, call them high vis, but them yellow, the
Flexzilla.
yeah, Flexzilla.
Well, shoot. Alright,
Like they're doing something dumb like that.
That's a first for me.
Look at the breakage on that.
Now look, like I said, I worked on big trucks for about 4 years. And in a mechanic's mind, when you're tightening stuff or loosening and it's really tight, at some point in your mind you say, something ain't right about this, something's about to give. Before you do this, There has to be something that crosses your mind that says,
Yeah, I'd be like,
He didn't hear that click.
I think something is not right about this.
He's using it right there and went click. Come on.
Snap. The last
We don't have
ratchet that
to
looked
get
like
to
that,
this.
what kind was it?
Tell him to stop at the first click, not the second.
1, 2, like,
Yeah.
well, you can see it. See that tooth on the right side, the outside, the profile.
Yeah. If we don't have the kit, clean it real good and try to put it back and see if it holds, and we'll put the kit in it next week.
Well, it's not going to slip a lot. It's only going to slip when it gets in that one position. Because it ain't but 1 tooth.
Show everybody your new ratchet you got, Bill.
I don't need that.
You need that,
I
Wally.
don't need that green.
Bill got him a new baby 1/4-inch ratchet.
Yeah, if you want to clean it up,
Now, granted,
mess it up on me.
This shop right here, I got shops that I haven't warranted anything for in over a year. This shop, I warranty between 3
still
and
gonna
5
slip.
things every week.
It's still
Wow.
going to slip. but it's
I don't
gonna
never
slip
say nothing.
when
I just warranted it out.
gets to that
I got a
outside
snap-on name on it. That was sockets, older sockets, whatever. Get
I
everybody
thought-
new one.
I thought Wally was rough on some tools.
Now this shop is rough on it. Bad. And I mean they work on dozers, skidders, 18-wheelers, everything. But
That's
I got other
a lot.
shops. Well, I got other shops that work on all that same
You
stuff
know-
and don't never break anything.
We really
Is it
don't.
one particular person or is it just more than one in the shop?
Well, there's 2 of them in the shop. One of them breaks pretty good, but I think a lot of them don't. And that's
We don't
every-
really have that much stuff that ever breaks.
I don't warranty very much out for y'all. But I mean, it shows like how much I warranty out. So in 3 years, I warranted almost $40,000 worth of tools out. I got shops that ain't warranted out $500 worth of stuff in a year.
And the stuff that we've had warranty is just basic little stuff.
Well, it's been
Screwdriver
ratchet
blades
years.
or ratchets or
I ain't never broke a screwdriver blade.
yeah.
I ain't broke one in a long time. Since
Today's the day, Wally.
Today is the day. Wally said he's going to use them Matco ones he bought.
For a fry bar.
Alright, so this is my new fancy Bluetooth digital multimeter. Tell them what happened to it, Wally.
we were checking parasitic draw on a truck one day, and I'd done disconnected the negative lead, and we were going to hook the meter in line on it on amps, see if we can find where the draw was coming from. I had told Bill to hook the meter up to it, and he just hooks the leads negative and positive like he was checking voltage. Pop the fuse.
Alright guys,
John.
I guess we're going to turn this thing off. Like always, thank you guys for watching. If you want one of those super awesome Diesel-matic shirts like Wally's got on and I've got on, be sure to look down below. There'll be a ticker with a link where you can go get one, and you will look as cool as Wally. That's hard to do, ain't it, Wally?
That's very hard to
It
do.
took
You ain't
Wally.
selling no shirts now.
It took Wally 30
Come on,
years.
Hamilton, shoot.
It took Wally 30 years to look at good, and he didn't realize all he had to do was put on a Diesel-matic shirt.
Rough on you.
Yeah, something like that.
Alright guys, thanks for watching. Like always, hit that thumbs up and click that subscribe button, because why, Bill?
Totally free.
No cost them a dime, does it?
Never cost him a dime.
Never cost them. You guys have a great weekend. We'll catch y'all next time.